So how do you go live on a TikTok on the iPad? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So of course, open up your TikTok app as usual, and you'll be able to just start, browsing the content and whatnot. But if you click on the plus button, you'll be able to see some different things, right? So you can post like a photo or go to the create where you just, go with the post like the regular photos or whatever. But next to it, you should also see the live, right? And you can see some different things. Like you can just tap on go live right away, or you can also go to some different things. Like for example, it just goes to the device's camera, but you can also go to the live studio or go to the mobile gaming or voice chat. So there are like different environments for your live videos. Of course, you can also change the title, set up a topic, and do some different things in here to make sure that it works out fine. However, if you do not see the live option, it is possible that it's limited for you because there are some requirements, right? So you will be able to only do it if you have certain amount of followers, I believe 1,000, and you also have to be verified on a TikTok. So it's possible that not everybody will be able to just start browsing, going live on the TikTok. So let me know if you managed to find it. If you have the ability, that's how you will be able to access it. So let me know in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.